sure. I turn it on just now that you're fighting. Dean, can you let him push it for a while? Will you share and let him push it? You get to push it every day. Dean, why don't you go find the ball? You want to find the ball? Where's the ball, Dean? Is it in the garage?
I do.
Uh-oh. That's right. Go beep beep when you go backwards. Watch out where you go though, Dean. Is there another plane? There, now you have bubbles. Look, a kitty. Hey, Colby. Look, kitty. Uh-oh. She's not used to that. She doesn't like getting wet. Colby, make sure you stay sitting down, okay? Colby, stay seated, please. Thank you. Look at those bubbles. Oh, you look like you're getting tired, Dean. Uh-oh. Splash fight. There goes the kitty. Bye-bye, kitty. She didn't like the splashing. Did he splash himself? Did you splash yourself, Colby? Oh, Colby gotcha. Is this the eye rubbing contest? The bedroom? Get dressed? Let's go to the bedroom. You know, squeaky feet. Squeaky feet.
Hey.
All right, this way. Come on. Okay, this way. Let's go to the bedroom. Come on. Oh, Colby. Colby. All right. Who wants to get dressed first? Gotta do lotion, get dressed.